So today I was wondering if I could come up with a project that I could share that was both creative and useful. And then I overheard someone talking about trying to sell some of their stuff on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, and they were trying to take a decent photo. So here's a hack for better small product photos. Make your own Lightbox. So making your own Lightbox is pretty simple. You probably have everything you need just lying around the house. So if you can find a cardboard box, some wax paper, a little tape, and some poster board, you've got what you need. Now with your box, you're going to want to cut windows in the top, left, and right sides of the box. And over those windows that you cut out, you're going to want to put your wax paper. And that wax paper is going to act as diffusion material for whatever light that you use with whatever product you're lighting. And with the poster board, you're going to want to place it at the back of the box and then let it scoop down towards the bottom and then come out to the edge. And the end product can look as quick and dirty as something like this. Your light sources can be whatever you have available. They could be lamps, they could be work lights, they could be whatever you have available. And so here we can play with the light with distance and placing to try and accentuate the detail in whatever the product is that we're trying to photograph. So with this project, I didn't use any fancy cameras. I just used my iPhone and tried to get different angles that I found to be interesting. So as you can see, super easy project. If you've got something that you're trying to sell on Facebook Marketplace or eBay, also super useful. So I think you should give it a shot, give it a try. Also, if there's a topic that you would be interested in seeing me cover, feel free to reach out and let me know.